Hello everybody! Mi nombre es Maestra Mamshe. My name is Teacher Mamshe for our language translation today. Last time, we have some vocabulary words or phrases that we've learned, like gracias, thank you, salamat. So those are the words, some of those words. And to start with our video today, let me greet you everyone, wherever part of the world you are right now. Buenos dias, buenas tardes, buenas noches, everyone. And again, we have some new vocabulary words today from English to Bisaya, Tagalog, then Spanish. First is mother, mom. In Bisaya, mama. In Tagalog, mama. In Spanish, mama. Right? They're all the same from Bisaya, Tagalog to Spanish. Next is father. Father. In Bisaya, papa. Papa. In Tagalog, papa. In Spanish, papa. The same. So now you know that mama and papa in Bisaya, Tagalog, and Spanish are all the same. Next is grandfather. Grandfather. In Bisaya, lolo. In Tagalog, lolo. And in Spanish, abuelo. Abuelo. Next is grandmother. In English, grandmother. In Bisaya, lula. Lula. In Spanish, abuela. Abuela. Grandfather, abuelo. Grandmother, abuela. Our next word is grandkids. Grandkids. In Bisaya, mga apo. Plural, mga apo. In Tagalog, mga apo. In Spanish, it could be male or female. Plural form, nietos, nietas. Nietos, nietas. Next is grandson. Grandson. In Bisaya, apo na lalaki. Apo na lalaki. In Tagalog, apo na lalaki. In Spanish, singular form is nieto. Nieto. Next is in English, granddaughter. In Bisaya, apo na babae. Tagalog, apo na babae. In Spanish, singular form, nieta. Nieta. Next is uncle. Uncle. In Bisaya, uyuan. Uyuan. In Tagalog, tiyuhin. Tiyuhin. In Spanish, tiyo. Tiyo. Next is auntie. Auntie. In Bisaya, iyaan. Iyaan. In Tagalog, tiyahin. Tiyahin. In Spanish, tiya. Tiya. Next is brother. Brother. In Bisaya, igsuon nga lalaki. In Tagalog, kapatid na lalaki. In Spanish, hermano. Hermano. And next is sister. In Bisaya, igsuon na babae. Igsuon na babae. And in Tagalog, kapatid na babae. Kapatid na babae. In Spanish, hermana. Hermana. Again, this is Teacher Mamshe. Mi nombre es Maestra Mamshe. And that's all for today. Thank you so much. Salamat, salamat, gracias.